I come back again. Now, second last, maybe last. I don't know. Second last, maybe last. 2025 written report, task term 1, the one that I wrote. Complete the following accounts in the general ledger of Nyala Ltd for the year ended 31st February. Why 2024? Let me, okay. 34 February 2024. Ordinary share capital, retained income, SARS income tax, shareholder for dividends, and the appropriation account. Okay. Now, what am I giving? Information. The following appeared in the list of the balances. Okay. The following appeared in the list of the balances. One. Okay. I can see. Balance of 2023, 31st December, which is commonly known as what? My balance at the beginning. It is my balance at beginning. How much? 1,749,000. If I'm not mistaken, I transfer it here as a balance. Wrote down of 1,749,000. Okay, retain income. I have my balance. Brought down of how much? Balance brought down of 530,000. Each and every time ke phela ke le botsa he ke bereka ka di-dividends, the most thing important ke the number of shares. That's why ke draw a note kwale. And another reason ya gore ke draw a note ke ya batho ba ba bethang ke general ledger ya ordinary share capital, especially repurchase price. That's why ke ba drawela note, because e botlhokwa he o dila ka di-number of shares, e botlhokwa he o dila ka di-dividends, e botlhokwa le o dila ka ordinary share capital. If you understand it like this, that's why ke fella mo ke aside. Barring SARS income tax, a credit balance under SARS income tax. Ke na le my credit balance. Brought down of how much? 22,800. 22,800. Shareholder for dividends, 184,800. I have my balance. Brought down of how much? 184,000 what? 184,800. The amount, the first transaction of SARS income tax, and the first transaction, even if low side gray, only see your you have a brain, or the first transaction, the amount of the SARS income tax and shareholder for dividends, you must pay them. I get tlhokobala mola gore ba mpotse gore tshentse ke ngwale bank ke ngwale 22,800, tshentse ke ngwale bank ke ngwale 184,800. a ke tlhoko e bala gore ke itse ke di mala maxi dutse a shile ke ngwetse. Guys, there is no way gore SARS gore the general ledger di ka nna less than 25 marks. There is no way gore re ka fail at this task. At least 20, it's enough. A first payment of 160 in respective of provisional tax payment under my income tax. Ke na le di provisional tax payment ba re ke bokae? 160,000. An interim dividend was declared and paid. It was declared, it was also paid. Interim dividends ya bokae? Ya 148,000 who 500. 30,000 ordinary shares were repurchased from a shareholder at 5.90. the number of shares. Kana ke di kry-a bjang wa bona gore mo diong confuse ke ya ko kae ko tableong ke nyaka price ko information ba re ordinary share issued at R5.30 per share ko re price ya teng ke at bokae at 5.3. Now ba itse ba re this amount e ke sa itseng ba re multiply by 5.3 yang fa 1,749,000 ke bolla kae ke bolla kwa ke re 1,749,000 I divide this 1,749,000 I divide it by 5.3 umfa number of shares tsaka which is ke 330,000. Now out of this ho na le transaction ya di-editions I teng ho na le transactions ya di-repurchase I teng ho na le balance I teng ho empty ke fela ke 330,000 shares tse di leng teng banong interim dividends le final dividend e tshentse e di emele e tshentse e emele hore o kry di-repurchase o kry di-additional ha e tshentse e di emele ke charge based on what on the number of shares tse di leng available ke ya ko the number of shares tse di leng available ba reng ba re 30,000 okay an interim dividend was declared and paid. Okay. 30,000 shares ke lebetse of ordinary shares were repurchased from a shareholder ke nyakile lebala at R5.90. Ba re ke repurchased how many shares? Ke repurchased 30,000 shares. Ke repurchased 30,000. It's a repurchase. It is very important to note how easy. How easy? A ho no ordinary share capital le return income o ka shota di marks. Tsenzo no beta total. Dividends le ordinary share o tshwere note o krile total. Ke tla go yona e reng? E re 30,000 shares were repurchased from a shareholder. From a shareholder. This time hopola ka 2024 repurchase ya ka ne le kae nelemo. This time e go kae emo. Ke repurchase re calculator bjang. Lena ba formula le reng? Ba formula kana le reng ordinary share capital divide by number of shares rena ka re a word to draw the table nar nor this divide by this emfa bokae ya my calculator ke reng 30,000 I multiply by 5.3 ke bokae ashi inside the bracket 159,000. 5.3 it is the average price. Mara bona ba re ke rekile ka 5.9. He ke re 5.3. He ke re 5.9 minus 5.3. Emfa bokae 5.9 minus 5.3. Emfa ashu ke 0.6. It is 0.6. This 0.6 ke no reng under ordinary share capital go explain it go 2024 banyaka the price within value ya yona di shares tseo tsa re wena di shares tseo o di rekile ka more than it's ba itseng bona banyaka value ba no ngwana o tlo reng a ke di reki hapeletsa ntho ke di ordinary share di tshwere ke motho a ka ntse re business e ka e wisa because o na le owner share inside the company so a rena choice re only reka ka tšhelete e tura banong ka re o a re ntsha 5.3 e nngwe re ntsha go kae which is 0.6 re tlo e ntsha ka mo retain income because ke ko dipotleng tsa rena ke ya ko retain income ke re ke tshwere 50,000 shares I multiply by who by 0.6 o mfa bokae multiply by ke re purchase 30,000 ke 30 ke re purchase 30,000 o mfa my bank as 18,000. I'm done with the transaction repurchase. The company, okay. Or the dividends in the amount, no problem. The guys on a sheet. The company issued 100,000 ordinary share at 6.34 per share. By issuing 100,000 shares. Ke di additions. Ba re ba di issuile ka bokae o ntebelle ba di issuile ka 6.4 ke tla ko ena ka mo ba re ke di issuele ka bokae wena o ntebele ka 6,34 he ke re 100,000 I multiply by 6,34 ke bokae it is 634,000 ke thoma ka o tseya repurchase ke a mo transfera bank a shoe nna ke mo kry-ile mo ke a mo tlisa ke bokae 159,000 ke mo tlisitse go shota mang a shoe le ena ke a mo tlisa ke bank bokae 634,000. A second provisional income tax payment of 194,000 was made in a bank. What are you 194,000. The directors decided to declare final dividend of 80 cents per share. How many cents did I have at that time? Ashidi ya go bontsha gore ke na le di-shares tsa 330 ka minus tsa 30,000 ka plasa tsa 100,000 he ke reng 330,000 I minus 30,000 I plus 100,000 ne ke na le 400,000 shares, which is my balance at end. Pare the directors decided to declare a final dividend of 80 cents per share. Now, how many shares did I have? I had 400,000 shares. Okay, give me how many shares did I have? I had 400,000 shares at that time. Out of those 400,000 shares, ke declare bokae 0,8 ke bokae he ke 400,000 multiply by 0,8 o mfa bokae o mfa 320 ke di declare ka re ke tla patela the ordinary share dividends, ordinary dividend ya bokae ya 320,000 ke tse ka re ke tla declare. I'm done ke 320,000. The net profit our eco rutile yona ha million. The net profit before tax this time bamfile before tax amounted to 970 ke a itlisa. It is my profit and loss ba re ke bokae my profit and loss ba re ke 970,000. I'm done ka yona ke ya ko the last track. But income tax must be calculated at 30%. A ke sa o drawela table ele ke re o bone ke draw ka those previous question papers. Ka those previous question papers, if wena o shapo ka 2023 e ya ko 2024 le 2022 e ya ko tsona o bona fela income tax ke drawile no ke tlo calculator ke reng ke re 970,000 ke di explain le ko those two question papers. I multiply with what I want. Ke nyaka income tax which is 30. Ke tshwere mang ke tshwere 100 ka gore it is before he ke re 970,000 multiply by 30 over 100 o mfa bokae o mfa my income tax ke a mo tlisa income tax ya bokae ya 291,000 ke a mo tlisa mo income tax ya 291,000. I'm done ka my whole question paper. Ka mo ke shota ka di dividends ke na le interim ya ka ne kae ne ke ngwetse ke rabile a re go interim dividend ba itse ba re ke 148,500 ke nyaka le finally ke kry-ile gore it is 320,000. It is 320,000 ke a di tseya di le 2 ke di sa as dividends ko appropriation ke reng ke re 148,000 plus 320,000 ke a close ke bokae 148 500 plus 320,000 it is 468,500. I'm done ke shota ka mang a ona transaction e ke shotang ka nkanetse ka close ke thoma ka ke thoma ka o tlosa ko kae ka mo he ke tlosa ke ya bjang ke a theola 1749123 minus 159123 plus 634123 umfa bokae umfa 2,224,000. Let me check something. 634,123 plus 2,224,123. Okay, over 503. Just do my name. 2,224,123 all over man 400,123. Yes, Kiamo transfer. Oh, it is my balance. Balance brought down at the end of the financial year. Kitlo fitla ko yena. Wait. Kitlo fitla. Ke closer so. I close the account. 1,749,000 plus 634,000. Umfa bokae? Umfa 2,383,000. Angere. Bona mo ke rabile. Mo ke mang my income tax ke mang 291,000. Yes. God, this it is bigger than this side. Give vothamang my balance. Carry it down. Atlon twos. I get this minus this. I minus 159,000. Balance carried down again. It is 2,224,000. Or akonom for 238,3123 to get my balance brought down of how much 2,224,123. I cheat. Dear balance. Even the elegant. Kiafita moyona. Kitlakam. Kia closer off. Kirini 22,800 plus 291,000. Umfa bokai. Umfa 313,800. Kitlakamo 22,800 plus 160, 123 plus 194, 123. Umfa bokai. Umfa 376,800. Does the general ledger approve? I do mail or this side they can let this side. So over tamang or the konolekan, give my balance. Carry it down. Yabokai. Core 376,000 minus 313, which is minus 800, which is umfabokai. Umfa 63,000 to become my new balance. Brought down of who 63,000. Get closer off. I close off the account. It is 184,000. 184,000. 184,800 plus 320,000. Umfabokai 504,800. Kamu ke 504,800 to get my balance carried down of 320,000. Why bona emos balance brought down of 320,123. Iyakamola. My final part of accounting, retain income. Kana aring retain income, are honor mkanna le di amount tse 2. Appropriation kupelon 2. Appropriation are mfe amount 1. Nna le nna ke tla ofa amount nngwe. Ke nyaka fela o tlhakantshe di amount tse 2 tsona a nkere o tshwere tse 2 ene as var o tshwere tse 2 are di tlhakantshe and then o poste tsona nna ke tla o busetsa yona balance ya hao ashi o e busa are ke tla o busetsa eng balance ya hao your balance brought down ke tla e busa re bona re o tla e busa na re bona re o tla e busa yena re o tla busa balance brought down re bona re tla e busa ashira e bona re o tla e busa ke re this minus this aba go le side le 1 530 18,000 I minus 18,000 o mpha bokae? A re ke metlise ko yena di-amount tse he ke fetso di tlhakantshang ke di isa ko yena. I take him to appropriation, to my appropriation account. S bokae? S5 12123 ke di sitse wa bo. He ke di isa ko appropriation di o bitsa ka mang? Di o bitsa ka my retain income ya mane ya 512123. Ebe appropriation a re wena ema gona ka mokhuo e re nna ko latlhelle dikarabo a shuwa malatlhelle ke a closer off ke reng 970,000 plus 512,000 o mfa mane o mfa 1,482,000 le kamo tsentsa mfemang 1,482,000 ankere mara wa di bona gore ga o di tlhakantsha di o fitlhise ko teng wa e bona gore this it is more than this. Ebe o itse reng appropriation a re tshwara change e ke isa ko kae? Ke isa ko my retain. A se balance brought down ka mara appropriation a rena balance carried down. Le tlolong go ngwala balance carried down wa e busetsa ko retain exchange. Balance carried down ya hae ke retain, o e busetsa ko retain. He ke re 1,482,000 minus 291,000 minus 468,500 o mfa mang? 722,500 o ingwetse ka mang? Ka retain. O isa ko mang? Ko retain wa motseya a re danke appropriation. O mfile mathata ka a bokae? A 722,500. Ha mfile mathata ka 722,000 retainer a no ke tshwere dio tse 4 o ka netsa closer off of ratman wa tswalla lena bo botlhe ba tswalletse no shota yena le ena wa tswalla. He ke re 722,500 plus 530 123 o mfa mang? 1,252,500 le kamo ke 1,252,500. Okay, 512 le 18,000 wa mmona gore o less ka netse ka bitsa mang? Ka gore dio tsa ka di felletse ke nyaka my balance carried down. Balance carried down 1,252,500 minus 512,123 minus 18,000 umfa bokae? Umfa 722,500 to become my new balance brought down ya 722,500. Wa hopola ke mai a itseng o tla mo ashu o itse re ke tla o fa 722,500 as we are balance brought down o mo file yona ashu o mo file yona. It is his balance brought down ka mo a rena balance brought down. Ashile from favor to favor o rometse o mathata a hae o a dila ka ona a closer off a tla ka mo a mofa ha fetso mo phasa o a closer off. This must be equals to this, must be equals to this, must be equals to this. Welcome. I think it is the last ya 2023 again nako ka re ke na le matric ba bang ke tlatla. Good luck for tomorrow. Yeah, and o hopole he o ngwala hore 1 plus 1 tshantse you o fe 2 mara yona a se snoko ke accounting. Re tlatla re boa after le fetsa ka di general ledger he re fetsa re ya go. It was nice o nako re di general ledger ba no go tlo nna nice ka re mo dila ka ena le 1. Welcome to accounting. 1 plus 1 ke 2 mara e a se snoko noko.